Hi, I'm Erika and welcome to the Secret Not Secret Kit Club's Woodgrain theme top, where it's all about inspiring you to use all things woodgrain. There are lots of talented ladies in the links below, so please check them out. Today I will be documenting these photos we recently had taken at a friend's studio. She had it made up like a little mini pumpkin patch. There were tons of little toy pumpkins and it was a really special day, so I'm excited to get started. I'll also be using my new We Are Memory Keeper scoreboard. It fits up to 12 by 12 sheets of paper, and I'm so excited to explore all the different capabilities that I can find with this scoreboard. I'm using my basil marshmallow paper, which is a heavier weight paper specifically for mixed media. I am scoring some irregularly spaced lines all the way down because today we will be hacking our way into making some wood grain paper. I really love this hack because it's really versatile. You can vary the wood grain, you can make the lines more narrow or wider, you can use different colors, even layer the colors. As an option, as you'll see here, you can even carve some knots into it. I used my double pointed needle for knitting. You can also use, say, a chopstick. Really anything with a pointed but blunt edge would do. So I'm just adding some knots, random spots around the paper, and I'm using my brand new Distress Oxide. Not sure if the stamp pad is supposed to be warped like that because it did leave some funky marks at the bottom, but I was able to go in and fix them, thankfully. I'm so excited to begin my Distress Oxide journey because this is my very first one, so we'll see how it goes. Adding in some extra ink around the knotted areas and taking a bit of felt and blending in the left side of the page to see the difference. The white lines are not as stark on the left, which I love, but then the right side also has its strong qualities because it looks more distressed. So as I said, it's pretty versatile. So from here, I'm just taking the paper and cutting it up. I am making 3x4 journaling cards as well as 4x6 journaling cards because I will be using them on this page as well as my upcoming December daily project that I am just so excited to get started on. As a next step, I'm taking this lovely cranberry paper and laying everything out. I think I want to make a grid layout, so I think I'm going to stick with this format. I'm using my Felicity Jane Taylor kit as well as some Cozy Day ephemera, which you'll see I dumped it all over the desk, which, by the way, I'm so excited. My tabletop will soon be ready, so I will no longer be scrapping on a really small top of the Calyx unit that I have. In reference to all of the ephemera, I really struggled because off camera you didn't see, but I put ephemera everywhere, you guys, and it was just an overload of color. So I made it an agreement with myself to only place things on the journaling cards, and that way I would be able to control the color a little bit more because it was looking really muddled. And you'll see I still put random things on my photos, but I take them off because you start to lose where you place things purposefully, if that makes sense, because it's all about balance for me, and I lose that balance if I just kind of put things wherever the heck I want. I mean, it has a time and place for it, but you know what I mean. So I'm just adding things here, varying the dimensions, foam adhesive because I love it. And nope, sister friend, pull that umbrella off. There you go. And lastly, adding some puffy paint. I did remark recently that I prefer it over Nuvo Drops because it's not as gassy, if that makes sense, and I'm able to control it a little bit more. Plus, it's cheaper. But otherwise, that is it. I hope I inspired you to maybe try this hack sometime in the future, and hopefully you check out everyone else participating in the hop today. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have a great rest of your day. Bye!